Hi guys, welcome to Vesna TV Home. For today's video, I'm doing my spring home tour. I'm not going to talk too much throughout the video, actually nothing at all. I'm just going to start off by telling you I'm going through my main hallway, into my family room, a little bit of my kitchen table, and then my formal dining room, and that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're interested on how to make any of these DIYs that you see, or a lot of these decor items that you see in my video, I've made almost all of them over on my DIY channel. So I will link the playlists here, and I'll kind of link videos. I've linked videos throughout this video for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and head on over to my DIY channel to see how I've made these. Thank you. Have a great day.